Mr. Rab here, and today I have a very important video for you guys. Alright, sorry, we're back. Today is a very important video because of a very important announcement. Once I find my mouse. I don't know what I'm doing. Yeah, so I'm gonna be launching my Rab drawing channel. This is gonna have all the comics that I post sometimes, a bunch of cool drawings, cool information, stuff like that. So stay tuned for that. And everything else should stay on my normal channel, Rab Gaming, and you'll be able to check that out because this is where the video is. So go over and subscribe to Rab Drawing, and I'll see you guys there.